In this video, we will look at mesh Boolean nodes in geometry nodes. The definition of the mesh Boolean node is as follows. The mesh Boolean node allows you to cut, subtract, and join the geometry of two inputs. This node offers the same operations as the Boolean modifier. Let's take a look at an example application. Let's take a look at the default cube, sphere, and cyliner. Add a mesh Boolean node. Difference functions as a subtraction. Subtract mesh 2 from mesh 1. Connect the ICO sphere and see the effect. You can see the effect by increasing the size of the ICO sphere. By connecting cylinders, you can get the shape of the cube with the cylinder part missing. You can also subtract the ICO sphere and cylinder together. When used in conjunction with the transform node, you can achieve even more effects. The intersect mode only shows common areas. Union shows everything. It can be seen that it functions the same as a join geometry node. Based on the basic concept, it can be applied in various ways. This video ends here. Thank you for your time.